Hello everyone, welcome back to day 11 of the 100 Days of UI Design Challenge. Today is a very special episode. Today we are going to be designing some creative, colorful, beautiful UIs that you have seen online. These are viral, Instagram worthy UI designs, trends, and more. And I'm so sure you've seen this online. Today we're going to be making all of them right here. We're going to be looking at super cool techniques. We're going to be looking at on drag animation features. We're also going to be looking at gradients, splashes, animations. There is so much stuff in this episode that we need to talk about right now. So let's just get into the demo. Alright, so this is what we're going to be making today. It is a beautiful UI design which works with the on drag feature, so you can basically drag it or swipe it to make it work. So swiping functionality is something we haven't really looked at until now, and it's something we're going to be doing, something I'm really proud of. Also, there is a lot of really cool animation, splashes, effects happening that we definitely need to check out this time. There is so many radial gradients, so many color fills, so many beautiful things happening. These fonts are to die for. They are so beautiful when they're done just right. Also, there's a lot of beautiful images, beautiful color splashes, a lot of color all over the place. This is going to be one of the most fun builds we have ever done, you guys. There is going to be so much fun that we're going to have while making this, and as an added advantage, after we're done, you can put this on your portfolio, you can put this on your UI design Instagram, wherever it is you want to show it off, and it'll be one of the most amazing builds ever. So without any further delay at all, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so the very first thing that we're going to be doing is making this really cool, really beautiful, really colorful animation today. That is going to be a lot of splashes, a lot of beautiful effects. Everything mixes, everything matches. There is a lot of radial gradients. Everything changes, morphs into beautiful animations. There is a lot of gradients, a lot of cool fonts, a lot of different colors. This is going to be one of the most fun, one of the most Instagram worthy, one of the most portfolio worthy UI builds we have ever done. Alright, so the very first thing we're going to do in order to make this design is install Figma. So the way we're going to do that is really simple. We're going to go ahead and look into Figma downloads. Just go there, search for Figma downloads. Alright, just go to figma.com/downloads. This is the perfect place to find your desktop app for Mac OS or your desktop app for Windows. And once you're done with that, once you're done with your installer, you can just really simply, really easily get into Figma. The way we're going to be making this design is we are going to look at the Figma application UI, click on plus, click on new design file. This is going to give us a beautiful new design file that we're going to be using. Alright, now that we have a beautiful design file that we know we're going to be using, we'll just click on frame, click inside of the screen, and now we have a frame. Since this is a desktop UI, which means it's longer than it is tall, we're going to give it simple dimensions of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Alright, and now that we have that figured out, let's just jump into the colors. So the very first build that we're going to be making is a light shade of pink. I'm going to go here, I'm going to choose pink. Just for now, choose any rough color that you like, and once you're done with that, obviously you can go on to choose other colors as well. I like this shade, I'm going to stick with this shade. For the next part, we need to have images inside of this frame. And the way we're going to do that is you're going to the Discord group, which is given in the description or in the live chat. Go right there, click on the link, join the Discord group. That's going to give you free access to all of our assets in the 100 days of UI design challenge. This is day 11. You'll find assets there. You'll find a beautiful, beautiful folder with everything that you need to have. So once you join the Discord group, you're given access to our main folder, which has 3 different folders inside of it: orange, pink and purple, for all of the different images that you're going to be using in these 3 UIs. Since we're making the pink build first, we'll just click on it, go right here, and now we have access to all of these beautiful images that we are going to be using for this build. Now that we know we have access to all of these images, we are going to jump right back into Figma. We've got a couple of chat messages rolling in. Utkrisht Gupta says, "Hi ma'am." Hello Utkrisht, welcome to day 11 of 100 days of UI design challenge. Today we are making this beautiful, insane, viral, Instagram worthy UI. It works on the drag functionality and there's a lot of cool splash in it. Saurav Sharma says, "Have a great stream." Thank you, Saurav. I hope you learn a lot as well. So the way we're going to get our images for this UI is we're going to go to the Discord group, which is given in the description. You're going to click on this link, join the Discord group. That's going to give you access to all of the different images that we're going to be using for this build. One simple download, you guys, and you'll have access to 100 different days of contents worth of images, assets, everything you need to know to build your perfect UI design portfolio. Alright, now that we know we have all of these images ready, we're just going to go and click on Ctrl-Shift-K. Ctrl-Shift-K is your shortcut for importing images in Figma, or you can just go to the rectangle section and go down there from a drop down, click on Place Image. You're going to go to our main folder, click on the pink file, which is going to be given in the Discord group. By the way, please join it. You'll find all of the assets in the world there, and then you'll just get this main image. Click on Open, Place All. This gives you your perfect image. We are done about 50% at this point. I know it's a complicated UI, but in very simple steps you can just take it right off the charts. In order to get your pink color right, you're just going to choose from over here, and then you're going to try to find what works. This can be a tricky process, but once it is done, you'll be very proud of the results. Alright, this looks great. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Ctrl, Shift and K one more time, and we're going to import a couple of images. Image 13, image 17, image 19, and they're going to be renamed just like I'm talking about right now. And we're going to take these 3 images and this one. We'll click on Open and simply place all. Figma has this beautiful place all feature that lets you place everything, and now you're going to see all of these images have edges cut out inside of them. This is really important. All of these images already have pre-cut edges, so you're just going to place them exactly where the edges cut out. This is the simplest thing in the whole world, and it's going to give you, believe me, it's going to give you one of the most Instagram worthy beautiful UI designs. You all have seen this around. I have as well. It's about damn time we started making them. Alright, and now we already have our background images sorted. We can just shift around the colors a little bit. If you're not happy with it, I am quite happy with it, so I'm just going to let that go. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have a background splash, and this is where the magic starts to happen. Background splashes, just click on Ctrl-Shift-K one more time, and now you're going to get this beautiful splash with 2 different images. You're going to click on Place All. That is going to give you 2 beautiful splash images. We'll just place one right here and one right here. It's no problem if they overlap. They are supposed to overlap. Don't worry about the overlap. And now you're going to take your main image, drag it above all of these images. So now your image is placed in front of this splash. It looks like the splash is coming from the background of the image. Also, another thing you need to make sure of is all of your images, and you're going to select all of them by clicking on Shift and then drag them inside of the frame. All of these images need to be inside of the frame. They cannot be outside the frame. If they're outside the frame, no animations are going to work. Things are going to fall apart so quickly. Alright, this is about halfway done, you guys. Halfway done to our beautiful portfolio design, beautiful viral Instagram animation UI. All right, let's just go back to the editor. And now we're going to be looking at fonts. So a lot of the fonts that we usually use on stream are sometimes not mentioned. Sometimes people get confused about what font this is. Not right here, not on the 100 Days of UI Design Challenge with Veera. Today we are looking at all of these beautiful mystery fonts. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to give this a name. Strawberry Blast Smoothie. And you can give it any name you want. It truly doesn't matter at this point. We're going to choose a font that is called Ranchers. It's a free Google font. You can find it absolutely everywhere, especially in Figma. And if you've realized that for some reason your text case like me is messed up, don't worry about it. It really doesn't matter at this point. You'll just select everything, go right here, click on title case. You know what? Let's just type it again. Just that's short of it. Strawberry Blast Smoothie. One of the most complicated UIs coming together so quickly. I would not have expected it. You would not have expected it. Utkrisht Gupta says, where can I learn UI? Utkrisht, we have a 100 Days of UI Design live stream going on right now. This is day 11. Every single day we get here with the new UI. Just follow along to those UIs, join the Discord group, download your assets, follow along to these very simple free tutorials completely for free, and I can guarantee by the end of 100 days you will be making beautiful UIs that you did not imagine you could make as a UI designer. This is going to take your UI skills to another different level. Alright, let's just jump right back in. Now we'll change the colors to white. So quickly we have things coming together. And one last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a simple drop shadow, and the way we're going to do that is we just remove everything. We'll just click on plus effects. That is going to give you a beautiful drop shadow. Don't need to worry about anything now. Don't need to work with it, stress it out. You don't have to do anything at all. We are this close to making this beautiful UI. Alright, now that we have this title sorted out, we are going to give it some text. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to go right here, click on plugins, go to our favorite plugin in the whole world. It is called Lorem Ipsum. If you don't have it installed, you're just going to go right here, go to plugins, search for Lorem Ipsum. It's going to give you this beautiful Lorem Ipsum plugin. Shivanshu Sharma, thank you for those emojis. We hope you're having fun. I'm having fun too. We'll just go to the Lorem Ipsum plugin, go to something cool. I like Pizza Ipsum. We'll just generate a single line, then doesn't need to be a whole lot of stuff here. Oh wow, it just generated a whole different thing, right? So we'll just give it Strawberry Splash Smoothie, and whatever it was, it doesn't even matter at this point. We'll take this text, change the font family to outfit. One of the simplest thing you can do. Kiwi says, hello, hi Kiwi, welcome back. Today we're building an awesome Instagram worthy UI design. You see this online, I see this online. It is going to be such a fun build. What happened here? We need to remove it. Oops, I got too excited. Alright, we're back. We'll just take this, drag it above, change this font size to 24. We'll just bring it to a small size and then see where we can go from there. It doesn't need to be that small. You can make it bigger if you want. It doesn't matter at the end of the day. Alright, 40 looks like a good size to work with, so I'm not going to stress it from that point on. 40 looks good. We have a simple drop shadow over here. If you don't have a drop shadow, click on effects. You're going to get very simple drop shadows. Reduce, you can increase the blur, and that's going to kind of make things look really pretty. Once again, you can bring this y-axis value down to 2, and that's also going to give you a lot of relief. Alright, this is about 70% done, you guys, and we're not even streaming for 15 minutes straight, and we're already a long way there. Like, it's just so close, I can smell it. Next, we're going to add an arrow, a very, very simple arrow. And you know what? If you don't have an arrow, don't bother drawing it. We'll just do the simplest thing we can do on the stream. We'll go right here and we'll go to the Iconify plugin. This is one of the simplest ways you can make a beautiful UI design that is truly Instagram worthy. And you know what? After we're done with this, share this design on Instagram, make it for yourself, join the Discord group, get your image assets for this file, and share it on Instagram with the hashtag 100 days of UI design with Veera. I would love to see what you guys come up with. There is my Instagram links all over the description. And if you're liking the way we're doing things around here, just click on the like button, just so I know you're liking what we're doing here. Go to one of these icons and import them. We'll just close it now. Hopefully we have an arrow around here somewhere. Alright, we seem to have an arrow. We'll just get it. Stoic says, hey, hello Stoic, welcome back. Today we're building Instagram worthy UI designs that truly should go on all of yours Instagrams. I would love to see this on your Instagram, because we've had such a long time of seeing like other people make it, other designers use it, and I thought it was about damn time it went on all of our Instagrams as well. This is viral, this is trending, and if you put it in your portfolio, it's going to get you hired. From which font did you like Strawberry? This is a beautiful font called Ranchers, one of my favorite fonts in the world. Stoic says, where did you find freehand vectors? These vectors are found in Iconify plugin, and these images are found on the Discord group. In fact, if you want these freehand vectors, if you want links or descriptions to any of these, join the Discord group. It is the very, very first link in the description. Assets and launch your own portfolio masterclass here. Just go to the description, join the Discord group, and once you're done with that, you will find all of the assets, all of the images that we're using here. Even if you don't find it, you can actually request any images that you've seen on stream that you want on the Discord group. We have question answer functionality, ask for assets functionality there as well. It is the most fun design community you're going to come across in the whole wide world. I can guarantee that. Join the Discord group right now. Alright, just go to the description, we have the first link there. Alright, now we'll just take our beautiful arrow. And something you need to know is, sometimes when you're using vectors like this, see, this is a vector, it is made with the simple pen tool, so it's a vector. It's always wise to keep it in a frame, because if you don't keep it in a frame, it starts to squeeze. Like, it's, if you don't keep it in a frame, and suppose then you realize you want to make this bigger, then you can't make it bigger without absolutely messing this up. And I'm going to demonstrate what I mean by that in just a second. Take it out. You don't have a frame with this vector, just look at it carefully, and when you do that, it's just going to go wherever your screen goes if you want to drag it, and it's going to get really bent out of shape. It's just going to squeeze and scale, and that's going to cause you a whole wide world of headache. Do not do that. Always, this is my pro tip to you, always have a frame to surround your vectors. Really important stuff. Tanesh Agrawal says, hello Tanesh Agrawal, welcome back to 100 days of UI design challenge. This is day 11. Today we're making Instagram worthy UI designs. I'll change the color to white. You know what, let's just keep it at black for now. And I'm also going to go up here, click on ellipse, just click on the screen, nothing complicated, just click on the screen, right click, send it to back. Just make it a little bit smaller, just so it can surround this perfectly. Hello everyone, say hi in the chat, like this video if you like what we're doing with this. I come live every single day at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We have so much fun here. Every single day we build a better Instagram, a better UI than the last one. It is one of the most fun streams, fun design communities you will ever come across in the whole wide world. Alright, now we'll just place it exactly where we want it to be placed, and this is where I start to think now, what colors would look best. Just take it right here, put it in the center. If you're not happy with how thick it is, you can always go to your vector, click and drag this to the right side, and that's going to make everything thick, or you can just type whatever numbers you like out. Kartikeya Asthana says, hello Kartikeya Asthana, welcome to the 100 days of UI design challenge. This is day 11. Today we're making viral Instagram worthy UI designs. So fun, you guys. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the color here. And the way we're going to do that is we'll just take this whole group. This group has the circle as well as this vector inside of it. We'll go to this two squares button, click on exclude selection, and that is going to give me this super duper beautiful, super duper cute, simple, really pretty arrow. I'm just going to give it a color of white, add an effect of drop shadow, remove this y-axis value, just bring it down to 0. This looks good. And now we have a beautiful Instagram worthy UI design. We'll just animate this, add a few simple effects, and you will not believe how quickly this is done, you guys. Say hi in the chat, like this video if you like what we're doing with this. We'll just click on Ctrl+Shift+K one more time so that we can get all of these beautiful images. There are so many images for you guys to use for this stream. They are all available completely for free in the Discord group. Join it. It's the first link in the description. You are going to have so much fun. I can guarantee that it's one of the most fun design communities ever, and you can request whatever assets you want. So I'm just making a simple rectangle over here just so that I can align everything equally. So I'm just going to look at the edge of this. We have this text box ending right here. We've aligned this rectangle properly. Now we're going to make sure we align this properly as well. All right, this gives us this beautifully aligned logo. You don't have to worry about making your own logos. You can just simply take ours from the Discord group, join it. You'll have access to all of these images. It's going to be so much fun, and we're going to be building. Oops, I did it again. How do you remove this? Well, you know what, let me just remove this at this point. It's just causing a ton of trouble. All right, now you're going to click on Ctrl+Shift+K. One of the simplest thing you can do. You can get your images, you can get your logos, you can find all of them in your Discord group. Join it so quickly. If you haven't yet, what are you doing? Join it right now. You can use all of these for your portfolios as well. No copyright issues or anything. Tanish Agrawal says, I have tried these type of designs too. They are attractive but not operational, to be honest. Tanish, these designs are only operational when you have the right skillful designer making them. I have seen and built out actual websites, and I know this is a popular myth on the internet. These UI designs don't work. I have seen and I have built designs. You will not believe how amazing they are. You will not believe how pretty they look. In fact, we'll do a video on this 100 days of UI design challenge where I'll show you real world functionalities of how they have absolutely moved the limits of what web can be as a platform, what the internet can be. I have seen it happen. I know it sounds miraculous, but once you get skilled enough with what you're doing, you can absolutely skyrocket as a UI developer, as a programmer, whatever it is that you're doing, and you can take your portfolio to the next level. You can take yourself as a programmer, as a designer to the next level. I have done it. You can do it. Join me live for 100 days of UI design challenge. It is completely for free. If this was not happening, I would not put my reputation on the line and say that this is happening. Do it. Come here live for every single day for 100 days, read every single comment and make it happen. If it was not true, I would not do it. It has taken me a little bit of time to get adjusted to it, but you will not believe the way we've impacted UI. You will not believe the way we have actually seen it happen. User retention rates go up, SEO goes up, everything goes up. You just have to be the right skillful person to do it. And how you do that, I'm going to show it to you. Every single day we come here live. You can check all of our past streams as well. They have been quite simple up until now, and they're always going to be simple, but the techniques that we're using, you will know by the end of these 100 days. In fact, just challenge me. Join me live for 100 days straight. You will see what impact we can truly bring to the UI platform, what impact we bring to the web platform once you start to figure out how to do these things every single day. If you just look at a quick simple 15-second tutorial, it's not going to be enough. It does take some time, but once you are skilled enough, it is truly going to impact who you are as a designer. It is going to impact every single thing you do. I can say that with confidence. Alright, now we're jumping back into the stream. I get a lot of serious looks and I get really, really passionate about this stuff. Anyways, let's just jump right back in. Alright, the last thing we need to do, and it's the only thing we need to do now, is we are going to go to the Iconify plugin one last time. If you don't have it, go right here, search for Iconify, you will find, oops, I clicked on Lorem Ipsum. So if you don't have it yet, you're going to go right here, search for Iconify, you're going to get this smiley guy, you're going to click on menu, menu, you're going to search for a two-line menu because it's the one that works best in my opinion. You're just going to go right here and import it. Close this tab. We have a beautiful menu with us. Put it in the front. Make sure all of your images are inside of this frame. If they're not, you're going to land in a world of trouble. Just go inside. Increase the stroke to 4. Make it bigger. Change the selection colors to white. If you're having fun, subscribe. If you're having fun, like this video. I will know you're liking this video and it'll go out to as many people as possible. It's the smallest of prices to pay for one of the best design streams that's happening in the world right now. Just click on effects. That's going to give you a beautiful drop shadow. You'll just go right here. It's going to let you pop out from your background a little bit, especially if there's so much stuff happening in your background. All right, let's just click on show behind transparent areas. This gives you a lot of visibility in some cases. Just increase it, increase the opacity for the color black as well. And once you're done with that, you're going to be able to see this guy really well. If you see it a little too well like I do, you're just going to go right here. This does take some time, but once it is done, you will be so proud of what we come up with. All right. Say hi everyone in the chat. I know some of you are new to this channel. I know some of you don't know me yet. This is 100 days of UI design challenge. Today we are on day 11. And with that said, we are done with the first frame. This is going to be one of the simplest, smoothest builds in the whole world, you guys. I am so proud of it. We just copy and paste it one more time. Now we're going to change everything, customize it for the purple UI. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go right here, click on choose image, and this is going to save you the hard work of modifying images. Go to the purple section, click on your image, click on open. This is going to give you a beautiful image. All right, now we'll just drag it, place it right here, and we're done. We'll go to the first splash, go right here, click on any one of these splashes. It truly doesn't matter at this point. Make it, you know what, let's just make this whole thing a little bit smaller. This works. This looks good. We'll take the first splash right here, bring it down a little bit, shift it. This works. We'll just take the other splash again, go right here, click on choose image, click on the other splash. You can find all of these images in the Discord group. It is the first link in the description. Join right now. You will have access to every single asset for 100 days of UI design challenge. And you can request for images and assets as well. Stuff you see online, you don't know where to find. You can request for assets as well. Just go right here, click on this splash icon, make it a little bit bigger. No sticky keys. Oops. Make it just a little bit bigger, rotate it around. And again, once you get used to it, it just becomes a really good effect to have. Let's just take this, rotate it a little bit more. And I know I get completely OCD over the little stuff, but that is what impacts everything so much. All right, now we're going to change this text to blueberry bliss delight. You know what, let's just give this a new line also. All right, and now we're changing our images, so we'll just go right here, click on the, you know what, let's just ditch that. We'll click on Ctrl+Shift+K. That's going to give you access to all of your images. Click on image 13, 17, 19 and this splash. I know these are renamed a little bit funny, but you will see their usability really soon. Click on place all. That's going to give you this beautiful 4 different images. And the way you're going to progress now is you're going to take your first image and you're going to see that it has 2 edges. They are towards the bottom and the left. So it is going to place them on this edge, wherever the hell it aligns. It doesn't, you don't have to put a lot of thought into it. Just take it. It has edges on the right and bottom side. You'll just put it at the bottom right. Don't overthink it. It's going to turn out fun. All right. Don't worry about the previous strawberry images. We're going to get rid of them. And now we are going to get rid of them. Just click on them, delete. Click on them once again. Make sure you have the right image. Oops. No, you do not. We'll just go right here, delete, delete, delete. And like that, we have a beautiful UI. We'll just send these images to the back, right click and click on send to back, just so they are in the background. Click on it once again, send it to the back. Alright, now we're going to go back to frame 2. Click on a purple that aligns well with it. If you're not sure how to choose your purple, just click on the color picker tool and bring it right here, and then just bring it back. Choose a color that you like. You know what, let's do some fun stuff with it now. We'll just go to gradients, click on radial gradients, bring this center to right here, change this to swap its colors, drag this icon to right here, and that's going to give you the most beautiful gradient you have ever seen. Just change this black color to a white shade, a really light shade of purple, as if light is radiating from it. And change your dark shade of purple Alright, and now we have a beautiful shade. If you're not sure what to do, just click on one of your blueberries. It's going to give you a little bit of hint on where to go with your color scheme. I've chosen a color that I like. You can copy all of these hex code as well from the stream if you're not sure on what to do. Just go right here. Alright, this works. This looks quite beautiful. I am so proud of it. This works. Alright, and we're going to give it the same effect here as well. I'm going to go right here, click on fill. We're just so close to being done, I can see it. Click on radial gradient, drag it. Again, it's a very simple thing. You might want to do it carefully if you're a beginner. Watch the screen. Swap your colors. Drag this guy out. Once you get aware of what this circle is, what these guys are, you'll just be having a really easy time from that point on. Make it a light shade, bring your cursor to the darker one, change it to a darker splash, go right here, bring it outside, say hi everyone in the chat. Like this video if you're having a lot of fun with it. Subscribe to the channel. I come live every single day for 100 days straight. This is day 11 of the 100 days UI design challenge. We are having so much fun and we would love to have you. Alright, now we've copied the frame one last time and we're going to resize these images, change them back. You know what, this logo wasn't exactly changed, so all of these logos have tints of the colors that we're going to be using them for. Go right here, choose your image, choose the logo for purple, and it's going to have a beautiful border for the purple color. It's not going to look out of place. Now we're going to design our orange UI. Just go right here, choose your image. You're going to go outside. This is the folder, this main 11 folder is the one you're going to have access to in the Discord group. Click on open, join the Discord group. It is the first link in the description. And we'll change this. This is an orange. Alright, now we'll just change our images. We'll click on Control Shift K. Control Shift K is the shortcut, as I said, to gaining your images. And we'll just click on these images. You can find all of these images in the Discord group. The link is in the description. The first link in the description is the Discord group. We'll just click on Control Shift K, import your images 13, 17, 19, and this one. You're just going to click on Open, click on Place All. That's going to give you 4 beautiful images. You're going to take them, drag it out. Since this guy has 2 bases, edges right here, you'll just fit them. This is like a jigsaw puzzle. Since this one has edges on the left side, you know it belongs to the left. You'll just place it up top. Since this guy has edges on the top and the left, you'll just place it right here. Since this guy has edges on the bottom and the right, you'll place it right here. With that, we have a beautiful, beautiful frame. Now we're just going to remove our previous images. Click on this delete. Just get rid of your last images. We'll just go check what images we have, delete them. Go right here, click on this eye tool to see what image you're selecting. Click it again to get everything back. Now we'll just go right here to this image, click on choose image, click on your vector. That's going to open a beautiful, beautiful image for you. Alright, now that we're done with that, we'll change our splash colors. You can find all of these images in the Discord group, by the way. You can also request for images if you want access to specific assets. You'll just click on your first splash and drag it above if you're not happy with the way it is currently. Scale it up. Beautiful. Again, this has been such a simple build. Within 35 minutes of streaming, we've accomplished so much. This is day 11 of the 100 Days of UI Design Challenge. You guys are welcome to join me. I come live every single day. This is day 11. Just rotate this a little bit. Look at this beautiful splash. This is so pretty. Look at it. All I can say is just look at it. Say hi everyone in the chat. Just like this video. If you're having a lot of fun, let me know. If any of your images are in front of your logos or whatever it is, right click, send them to back. You don't want them in the front. You don't want them messing with anything you have in the front. All right, just send everyone to the back. Right click, send to the back. All right, and you can repeat this with all of your images. Click on radial gradient, change your colors, take your dark guy. To get your right color, just click on the color picker tool. You'll have a good access to a good color. And now we're just going to get this color and get a lighter shade. We'll just go to the lightest shade as well. Click on the lighter shade and get a lighter shade still. Just drag it out a little bit. And this is going to give you access to colors that you did not believe were possible. Just go to your radial gradient and it is going to give you so beautiful shades you will not believe they are real. Just change your pointer. Alright, and now congratulations if you've made it this far. We are about 90% done with the whole thing. Now we're going to start animating. This is where the magic happens. Cool stuff. You want to concentrate on the screen for this part. We'll just take, since we are starting with animating this pink UI, you'll just take your images, which are the purple and orange ones. You'll copy them, paste them. This is going to give you copies of these images. We'll just click on Shift and then you're just going to drag them down. So their size is going to reduce considerably. You're going to place them right here and then you're going to get another one. Place them right here. So you're going to place all of them in frame 1. You're going to zoom in. This is really important now. You're going to rotate it a little bit. You're going to the other guy and also rotate that one a little bit. And now you're going to take these, click on Shift to select multiple images at a time, right click, send them to the back. So they are now invisible, and the way these are going to work is you're going to see how they work. So now that we're animating this one, we'll take the pink image and we'll take the orange image. Click on Shift to select multiple images at a time, copy and paste them. If you want access to these images, go to the Discord group, the first link in the description, make them smaller, place them inside of the frame, take it right here, oops, just select one, bring it in front of the other, select two images at a time by clicking shift, place them right here, zoom in, select one single image, rotate it by any angle you want, take on your other image, rotate it in the other direction at any angle you want, click on shift once again, take two different images, right click and send to back. Very, very simple. Now we're doing the orange one. We'll just, you know what to do at this point. Take these two images, copy and paste them. Once you are aware of what we're doing here, it will be the simplest thing in the whole world. You'll just click on shift, drag them to reduce their size while make sure you don't mess up their dimensions. That's just simple scaling. Make them bigger if you're not happy with the way they look. Alright, now we'll just take one image, place it in front of the other. Take these images, place them right here. Alright, now you're going to take this, rotate it, take the other one, rotate it in the other direction by any angle you want. Select both of these by clicking shift, right click, send to back. We are so close to being done now, and now we're just going to take care of one last thing before we start actually seeing the magic in action. We'll just try to rename these. So we'll just take this main pink image, click on right here, type pink. You can also type strawberry or whatever it is you want to type, it doesn't matter. You're also going to go right here, make this guy invisible just for a little while, make this guy invisible too. Now that we're sure we've gotten pink, you'll just type PINK. Alright, make them visible once again. A very, very simple process. Go right here, make this guy invisible, make that guy invisible as well. Now that you're sure you're getting the pink one, right here, rename it to pink. Alright, and we're just going to repeat that. So now that we know this guy is purple, we'll just rename this to purple one more time. And now that we know that this is orange, we'll rename it to ORANGE. Again, I'm just going to speed run through this process. I come live every single day. We build one other beautiful UI every single day. If you have not joined us yet, we'd love to have you subscribe at 8 p.m. every single day, or Indian Standard Time, or 2:30 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, whichever you're at. Let's just bring it in front so that we know what we're dealing with. And then we'll send it to back once again. ORANGE. Send it to back. And now that we know this can only be purple, we'll just type purple. Make it visible again. Alright, now we'll just give these numbers 1, 2. I know this is a weird naming pattern, but believe me, you're going to love the way this one turns out. 3. Once we're done with this, build it yourself, share it on Instagram with the hashtag 100 days of UI design with Veera. Tag me. It would be lovely to see what you guys come up with, your own variations or anything else. We're just renaming things at this point. I come live every single day at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Let's just make sure we rename. So the point of renaming these is both the twos have to be in the same position. Both of the two images have to be in the same position. Every image that's renamed to 2 will be in the same exact position. We are almost done here. Oops. We'll just go right here. Okay, no, this is not the one. We'll just rename this one to 3. Rename this to 4. Oops. Rename it to 4. Go right here, rename it to 1. And I want to rename the splashes as well. I'll rename the bottom one A. I'll rename the top one B. It doesn't matter what you rename them at this point. This is just stuff to make your Smart Animate work well in Figma. So when Smart Animate knows two different images are renamed the same, it gives out a beautiful morph animation that you can't achieve otherwise. And with that, we are done with our renaming. Now we're going to jump to the most beautiful part of all. We're going to go to the prototype tab, click on the first frame, go right here. You can click on click or on drag. On drag lets you have a beautiful swipe feature. So like once you're scrolling, it lets you have a beautiful swipe feature. I am clicking on drag. You can also click on click. Go to frame 2, which is the one we're going to be using for this one. Click on Smart Animate. Click on your function to be gentle, or you can click on quick. Let's just do quick. for 600 milliseconds. And once you have selected all of your settings properly, Figma is going to auto detect these settings. Once you go from the second frame to the third one, click on linking this device. Make sure to link this device from the last screen to the first one. Alright, now that we've done that, we'll finally go and check out our new beautiful animation. Alright, while this is loading, let's just resize it, and now we're going to start dragging. Check this out. This is beautiful. I think the PC is hanging. Alright. You know what? Let's just sometimes when you're on PC devices, and this is a word of warning as well, sometimes when you're on PC devices, the on drag feature does funny stuff, so you usually want to go with on click. Right, we'll just change it to on click. Sometimes on some PCs on drag does not work, so you'll just click on this. Check this out. This is so beautiful. Check it out. Like, I can't say this anymore. Wherever you are, check it out. Look at it. It just bounces in your face. So beautiful. Viral Instagram UI coming to you live. We've built this today. You know what? Let's just share this for everyone watching to come live and join with us. I'll share this prototype now. Is there anything you guys want me to improve on it, or should I just share it with you guys? I will go back right here to my live stream and I will share it with all of you wonderful people watching. And now every single person who comes live will be visible right here on our little experiment. Come on guys, join up. This is going to be so much fun. We've built this beautiful UI in less than an hour. Such a beautiful build. Let's just change the timing to gentle while you guys are joining in. This just gives you a really nice wait period for you to see what you've come up with. This is just for fun. Quick also worked really well. You can use whatever you like. You can just experiment around and see. We've got a couple of people here already. So when a couple of people are watching, we've got anonymous tabs as well. This has been one of the most beautiful UI streams ever. We've built one of the best UI designs you can find on the internet. Viral Instagram UI. This has been day 11 of the 100 Days of UI Design Challenge, you guys. I have had so much fun building this. If you're still watching, you can always go back to the live chat. You can get this link for this. We've got a couple of people watching this already. We've got a couple of people joining in live. This is one of the most beautiful UIs we've ever built. I hate to go today. This has been so much fun, you guys. Let me know what you would like to see next. Otherwise, I'm live here every single day for 100 days straight, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Join me on Discord. Until then, bye-bye.